Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Rough Riders. Another quick video for you on the S2000. A few weeks ago I was in Austin working on my house and doing some work on the car and made a quick video on how to change the cabin air filter. So stick around, check it out, and let me know what you think. We just ordered this part online for about $7. I did check the local auto parts store. They didn't have it in stock, which my car's a 2002, so 17 years old. And it's getting hard to find some of the a little bit more specialty parts like this, but I've seen them anywhere from 7 to 20, about 20 bucks or so. But anyway, we ordered this online, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. I got my lovely assistant here with their fancy nails and everything done, and it's just your basic filter. So she's going to actually do the install for us. Yay, somebody else is working on my car instead of me. Okay, and so to find the cabin air filter, it's up underneath the weather stripping, right here behind the dash.
So if you push back on the clip, it gets the front part of it out, and then push it again, and it'll pop the front part of it out. It worked easier a minute ago. There we go. There's one. You need to do about 3 of them. Okay, we're going to pop this little guy back in here so we don't lose it. Just move that out of the way. And you just lift this up. And it is right here.
And there's the filter right there. And my wife was pointing out that I've never changed this filter on the car, and she's right, I never have. I've had the car for 15 years. So this will be the first time we've actually changed it.
So there's a clip in the back and a clip in the front, and if you push the clip in the front back and lift up the front, then you can just slide it out. This is the difference between a clean and a dirty filter.
So yeah, probably time to change it, I guess, huh?
Clips, there we go. Yeah, pull the clips apart and then just push it from the back side. Getting the car nice and dirty, of course.
That we just washed.
There we go. Dirty filter, clean filter.
Yay.
And you just pop the other one right back in. Set it on there. It'll only go in one way, where the little seal goes there. Pop it in until it snaps into place. Now it's just going to go right back in there.
So installing this is a little tricky because you have a tongue right here that has to go into a little slot in the back, and so that you can't really see where it's going, so you kind of have to feel around and kind of guide it in, and it's a really tight space to get it in.
Which is why I'm doing it, because I have smaller hands. and so, I want to learn how to do it.
Let me pull that out for a second. And so I don't know if I can capture this here, but there's a tongue right back in there.
That's right there.
You can't see it on the camera, but there's a little slot back there that you gotta insert that tongue into. So that makes it a little bit tricky getting it in and lined up. Yep, that was it.
That was it. Perfect.
There you go.
All right.
And now all you gotta do is put the weather stripping back in place.
Pop them in. 1, 2, 3. Make sure everything's lined up. And wash your hands.
There you go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, please leave them below, and we'll get to those just as quick as we can, and we'll see you next time.